Cfmoto, Kentucky. All right. Well, let's see. This is what I got from KEMIMOTO. This is the saddlebag. I've been waiting on this for a while. So, let's take a look at it. Pretty nice case. Comes in. Camouflage. That looks tough, don't it? Yeah, we're going to put this on the Cforce 600. Now, I already got this. Of course, there's a video on this. This is the black bore. Now I got the KEMIMOTO. Of course, the rear view mirrors. KEMIMOTO. Now, the saddlebag, and that's cool, isn't it? You put anything, phone, ammo, storage. Yeah, let's try this out here. All right. Now, I guess you just take your gas can, take the cover off. Oh yeah, that fits just perfect, huh? Look at there. It's right on perfect. Extra storage. Nothing in the way. It ain't gonna fall. Yep, and take a look at it real good. You see it? Oh yeah. That's gonna work pretty good. Put anything in there. Paper. And go. Yeah. KEMIMOTO. Now, you can order, I think you can get these from KEMIMOTO about $32, $33 or something like that. Maybe $35 for the camouflage, I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that, it might be a little cheaper. So, but, yep. And then, of course, you know I got the rear view. Now these are nice. KEMIMOTO saddlebag. Another addition to my Cforce 600. So, thank you very much. Cfmoto, Kentucky. Until the next time.